Then you went
Then we go to 184.
Then you went to 180. What is at 183? There is a statutory declaration.
Kindly. So at 183 there is a declaration. At 184 there is.
Why are we seeing these papers? You're not telling us that.
Yes, to show that they have suppressed the record. Supposedly they claim they filed my entire nomination papers and the supporting documents, but they have not done so. I will just demonstrate that in a moment.
At
page 185 bhi dekh lijiye, which is the withdrawal of the Nazriyati ticket and the certificate. At page 185, within minutes I withdrew. It was given and then I immediately withdrew it, and they accept the withdrawal. But what they suppress from the court is what is available in CMA 5917.
Mr. Can you pull that out? 5917.
5917.
जो आपने विड्रॉ किया उसके बाद आपको क्या तस्वीर किया जाए, ये तो नहीं लिखा आपने इसमें.
मैं एक मिनट बेयर विद मी काइंडली सी
इंडिपेंडेंट और पीटीआई की
पेज 23 पे आइए, पेज 23 पे आइए जरा 5917 के. Sorry, not 23 is Kamal Shawzab, my own
page 5917.
मैं एक लाना चाहता हूं.
What should we see on 5917?
Page 144. Page 144. 144 पे आ जाइए. This is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf ticket issued to me. Kindly see at page 144.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja, we are dealing with the case of Shawzab Kamal, not yours.
No, but they have chosen to file my documents. I'm just demonstrating suppression. I'm just demonstrating that they have suppressed documents. Now at page 144 is my ticket.
5914 में कौन सा पेज है? 5914 में
5917 में. CMA 5917, page 144.
मिलती नहीं है. 5917 निकालो. Mix कर दोगे मैम.
Point I'm making is that the documents that they filed are not the complete documents which were filed before the RO.
5917.
Now,
but one thing.
Date of submission इसमें 13 जनवरी की है.
PG 13 जनवरी है.
नहीं 13 जनवरी नहीं है, 12 जनवरी है.
नहीं सर, काइंडली सी नीचे जो दस्तखत
ऊपर नहीं आप ऊपर देखिए. आप वो किसी के दस्तखत नहीं है. ऊपर जो तारीख
मुझे इशू हुआ 12 जनवरी को.
12 जनवरी को आप स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं 13 जनवरी को और नजरियाती दिखा रहे हैं.
मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ ना सर, मुझे अर्ज करने दीजिए. ये 12 जनवरी को मुझे इशू हुआ, 13 जनवरी को मैंने ये फाइल कर दिया. नीचे आप देखिए रिसीविंग है, दिस इज द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर. अगर आप इनकी
रिसीविंग को छोड़िए ना, मगर डॉक्यूमेंट तो एग्जिस्टिंग कर रहा था जब आप स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें. I'm just showing the suppression on their part. Legal implications are a separate matter. Why have they not filed this ticket? This ticket is in fact even discussed in the 2nd February 2024 order passed by the.
Whenever you filed it now, make the point.
The point is simply this, that they have suppressed the record.
चलें आगे बढ़िए ना प्लीज.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें kindly. This is a very important point because this entire chart that they filed becomes very suspicious when your lordships realize that this chart is based on suppression of documents. Page 144.
Whatever they filed.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें एक मिनट के लिए. It's very important. They've filed a chart and they've said कितने लोगों ने सिर्फ टिकट.
I think it's very important in this particular case
submission
because the questions have been raised regarding the fairness of the elections and the role of the election commission itself.
I'm grateful
if it can suppress some material information from us.
From the Supreme Court, kindly see. So my ticket was duly filed with my nomination papers.
कौन सा पेज बोल रहे हैं?
Page 144 sir.
144.
144 of CMA 5917. मुझे इन्होंने कहा कि हम ये रिसीव ही नहीं करते आपसे टिकट because your party has not been declared entitled to a symbol. So they tried to return this to me. I being the lawyer, I insisted. I said, no, you have to take it and give me a receipt that I've given you this ticket. That is why the RO signed it. The signatures that the court will see at page 144, dated 13/1/2024, are identical to the signatures at page 185, where I withdraw the Nazriyati ticket. So what happened was, this ticket was filed. Then they said, sorry, we will not treat you as PTI candidates because the Supreme Court judgment is there. So withdraw your tickets. They actually returned the tickets. I refused to take it back. I said, no, I'm not going to take my ticket back. You in fact give me a receipt that I filed my ticket. And that is why this receipt was given to me. And yet when they filed these documents with their CMA, they suppressed this ticket to say, I only filed.
Raja, you used the word 3-4 times. Can we make the point now?
The point is that the record filed by them is not reliable. Now let me come.
Fine. Then is there anything preventing the matter is being contested in open court? The document is on record. If any party disagrees, disbelieves with a document, they can file their document.
No, I've shown from this instance that the documents they have filed are
in your possession. I'm sure everybody makes photocopies. Parties could have brought those on record.
But they're in their possession also. All I'm showing is that documents in their possession
get on with the case.
Must be filed. Yes, my lord. Now let me come to my 7 points. I was going to do this at the very end, but I've done it.
Mr. Raja, किसी ज़माने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते थे.
जी.
अब तो ECPP मुकदमा जीतने आई है, like an ordinary litigant.
They are acting as if they are our adversaries. They should be independent, impartial
Instead
arbiters of
playing
the election process.
They have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They want to win the case.
Their interest should be, I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case they have chosen to highlight. I have not chosen to file my documents. They filed my documents forcing me to
सलमान साहब
file my
हमने
ticket.
सुन ली बार-बार आप कोई बात कर रहे हो.
Now let me read through my points. Hopefully within 10 minutes. Now,